Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to set up the VPN on this device. It's pretty easy actually, and we have two ways of doing so. The first way is to use the VPN application. Yes, VPN application, yeah. Just VPN app. Most people do it this way. Or you need to just install some application and, sign in and tap connect. It's usually the easiest and most reliable option. Many people prefer provider apps because they often support protocols and features not available in Android's manual VPN menu. Community advice often echoes this too. So here, Play Store, then search, and just you need to type here VPN. Of course, always install the applications you trust. Do some okay, where is my keyboard? You need to do some research and then get to know it. As you can see in my keyboard, it doesn't want to appear. I don't know why. I think I can type it in here. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I don't have my keyboard. So you need to just type here VPN and get to know your application and just do some research if this application is safe. If it is, you can install it. But this is the first way. The second way is using our system settings. So go to the settings and here open the More Connections tab. Tap VPN and add network. Here you need to enter your VPN name, then select the type of your VPN. Like here we've got this CSC HAPV2 and PSK RSA, and we can select it too. Here I will exit this handwriting, full screen handwriting. Here we've got this server and we need to add the server name. Here IPsec identifier, and here we've got the certificates, C certificates and server certificates. Then here you can enter the advanced options such as here DNS domains, DNS servers and forwarding routes, and then you need to hit save and that's it. Goodbye.